Hey guys, so I just picked up these Apple AirPod Pro 3s from Apple directly at the Apple Store and actually bypassed my 5% back that I could have got if I had ordered these on Amazon. So I'm going to tell you why I did that and why you might want to do that here today as well. So the big reason is really the return policy. On Amazon, it's not super clear. They say that you can return things in new and unused condition and in the original packaging. I went to the Apple Store here today because I had one about 10 minutes away from where I was going to be. I stopped in there. You can try these out, which is really nice. You know, they've got some units there. I tried looking on ChatGPT and things like that. I think that was going back to pandemic times, and it was unsure of whether they would actually have demo units and things like that out there. I can confirm at the one by me, they did have demo units of, Beats and some of their AirPods and things like that. So I went in there, talked to somebody. I was able to test these out, which I think is huge because you can actually listen to the, active noise canceling and, the transparency mode, see the fit in your ears. I put these in and they fit in my ears perfect. Just, the minute I put them in there, I could tell I wasn't gonna have any issues with them. So I thought that was big. But I went up to the guy initially, the Apple employee I saw, and he told me, yeah, you have 2 weeks to try them out. I said, if I use them and I don't like them or they don't fit, like, can I bring them back? And he said, yeah, you got 2-week return period. He said, we know people have different ear shapes and things like that, and one may not work out well for you. So he flat out told me they expect you to use them. And if you bring them back and it's opened up and everything like that, there's literally no issue whatsoever. So I think that's pretty cool, just having the peace of mind, because even though I tried these on in the store and I liked them in the store, they fit well, everything like that, they felt pretty comfortable. If I'm wearing these for like 2 hours and they start getting really uncomfortable, or even a half hour or something like that, then I have complete ability to just return these, take them back to the Apple Store, full refund, no questions asked. If you want to look at some other models, then you can. With Amazon, I'll show you what it says here, but it is just a little bit more sketchy. I know it's kind of the same terminology they use for a lot of their other returns, and it's 15 days on there on Amazon. A lot of their products are 30 days, or holiday windows, you have extended time even, where sometimes it's a few months. But it does say typically Apple on Amazon, it is still just that 15 days. Sometimes it's a little more around the holiday time, but it's typically not as long as their other products around the holidays. So on the actual page for the AirPods Pro 3 on Amazon, this is what it says: free 15-day refund replacement. It says this item can be returned in its original condition for a full refund or replacement within 15 days of receipt. And then you can click read full return policy. When you do that, it says basically, please ensure your item is returned in original or unused condition with tags attached, hygiene seals, liners intact, obviously not for this, in the original manufacturer's packaging, including tags, components, accessories, manuals, certificates of authenticity, and other inserts. And then again, in another section here, it just says, most items can be returned for a refund or replacement exchange within 30 days of delivery. Again, these are 15 on Amazon. But basically, I'm just not sure 100% that if you get them from Amazon, if they're open and they're used, clearly I want to do that because you want to be able to try these out and test them out. Apple basically tells you, go ahead and do that. We don't care. You can bring them back and return them after using them within 2 weeks. And on Amazon, their terminology technically says that it has to be, new and unused, like unopened packaging. So that's why I went with Apple here, because even if I like these in the store, if I have any issues come up with them, or, I listen to them a little more and I decide, I don't really want these, I can easily take them back, no questions asked. And a little bonus here is in the store, as I was buying these, it came up on their little reader there. They just tell you that you get, for certain new items like this, you'll get an Apple Fitness Plus 3-month subscription trial and Apple Music for 3 months. So I was eligible with getting these. It does say, I think, depending on what items you're getting, if you maybe just got an iPhone and you took advantage of that, if you get these a little bit after or something, you may not be able to double dip again and get that again. But it was a 3-month trial. It says on here, any subscription started as a free trial will automatically renew until canceled. To avoid being charged, you must cancel at least 1 day before the renewal date. So it was very clear that it gave me my renewal date in 3 months. So I told her, yeah, go ahead and I selected those and started a free trial with that. I think on Amazon, if you get these from there too, you can still take advantage of that. It says it's not necessarily tied to where you buy it, it's tied to having an eligible device. You may just have to go into those apps and see, it might offer it to you there. It may offer it to you even when you just go to set these up. I'm not quite sure, but you should also be able to take advantage of that even if you buy these on Amazon. So yeah, I'd honestly recommend just being able to go into the store, listen to these and make sure you like them and everything. That's probably my recommendation. And then, like I said, I bought these from Apple just because the return policy is super clear. There's going to be no confusion. If I don't like these, they'll take it back, no problems. On Amazon, I'm not so sure. You may be able to, or honestly, it may be one of those things that depends on who's processing your return or something like that. But, you can, if you have an Amazon credit card or something like that, you may be able to get that 5% back possibly on Amazon, which will make it a little bit better for you. If you do want to pick these up on Amazon, there's going to be an affiliate link there in the comments and description. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more tech content. I'll see you on the next one.